Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is just for fun. How to do a morphing effect to create a morph target with a layer. Okay, so something here like this. So you have here your head, and then you have here a morph target or a layer, and then it becomes a skull. And you can mix it here. So like a mix between the head and the skull. And you can use multiple layers to get different effects. So don't care about the back face here, and you can trim it away later, but you see what you can do. So you can morph between different heads and or what you want. Okay, how to do it? So I delete this here. So maybe this is your head and you want to morph it with a skull here, like this. Okay, so first I join the whole mesh here and use maybe multi-resolution. So now it's fine. And then I voxel remesh the whole thing. And I smooth it a little bit out. So this is the first mesh. And now I add a quad sphere. So, and I place the sphere here somewhere around the head so that the head fits inside the sphere. So now I validate the sphere and so you see here the poly count. So at the moment the poly count is like this. And now I add now a layer here. So, and I rename it as the head. Okay. Okay, and here in the hierarchy, you have to select now first the head and then the sphere with a layer. So you see here, this one is now highlighted. Okay, and here in the MISC menu, you see here reproject option, and you see here in brackets reproject from high res 1. So this is the head. And here only this checkbox is active, and so this checkboxes are turned off. So, and now I press reproject from high res. So this is what you get. This is not perfect, but we fix it. So here in the hierarchy, you have now to select only the quad sphere, so I put it on the top. And so maybe I add a little bit more subdivision. So, okay. And then here I use this menu here. And here's a checkbox, preserve volume. So I smooth it out now. So let's smooth the whole thing and I relax the mesh. So relaxing. And now I go back here, select this one and this, and I reproject again. So now it's a little bit nicer. So back to the hierarchy, select only the quad sphere and relax here and smooth it out. Select this, and reproject again. So now it becomes better and better. So sometimes you have to do it a few times. So here are a few problem zones. So let's check the poly count, subdivide it once more. So now I think we got it, or it's okay. So now let's check our layer. So it becomes a sphere. Seems to work. So now we need a new layer. So add a layer again. So here I use the smooth brush and smooth this a little bit out here. Yeah. And here's also a small thing. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't work better. So this is the maximum you can get, I think. So now this one we don't need at the moment, so we need the skull. And I select now both, use X-ray mode. So, and here I select my quad sphere now on the skull. So the skull I have to fit inside the other head. So I bring it in position here like this. So now I use the move tool, and here I got my silhouette option. So, and I move the skull a little bit in position. So I check the side view. So maybe like this here. And now, in the hierarchy, the skull is selected, and here now, sorry, so that the quad sphere is highlighted. And now, I have to check my layer. I have to select the new layer. This is highlighted, and then reproject from high res. So, and let's see. So now I use here solo view. At the moment, it looks like this, and we have to fix a little bit. So I'm on the correct layer. I don't know why the smoothing not works. Yeah, at the moment, so here this smoothing works. So maybe yeah. Okay, so I reproject again. So some parts you have to fix manually. So this is for later. So I do it with the hands. Yeah, I hope you get the workflow. So this thing is, here is a very complex reprojection. So from a skull to a head, like this. So, but let's check our morph targets. So here we go back to the skull or to the head. So, and this is our morph target. So, and here is back to the sphere. So you can play a lot with it. Yeah, that's it. That's about reprojection and yeah, such morph targets. Okay, have fun with sculpting and ciao.